Okay, so we might be the only ones who didn't do a PowerPoint, but maybe make our presentation a little shorter. But the solution the problem that we tried to solve, we went a little broad, but basically we went with a multi-channel chatbot. And what we noticed today is that there's multiple problems that a lot of customers face, a lot of organizations face with their customers. And we're going to try and touch on at least 3 here, and that's multi-channel, engagement, and also some automation, self-serve. So we set this up with SMS and voice, and we've used Dialogflow with Google, and we can interact with our bot seamlessly between the 2 different channels. So first thing we'll do is, you want to call and test it at one. We'll do a couple of quick examples here, so you get an idea of the mechanisms that we have in place here.
How can I help you?
I'd like to set an appointment
What day?
tomorrow at 3 p.m.
Sorry, that time is not available. Do you want a different time?
Wednesday at 9 a.m.
Sorry, that time is not available. Do you want a different time?
Tomorrow at 9 a.m.
Please confirm if tomorrow at 9 a.m. is correct.
Yes.
Your appointment is confirmed.
So that's one quick example, and I'll bring up the SMS equivalent to that, which I did just before this. So you can see that I took it through the exact same steps, through the exact same bot, through the same number, through the same CPaaS. So I'll do another example.
Medical facility in the wall. How can I help you?
What are your hours today?
Today, our hours are 9 a.m. to 4 p.m.
Transfer me to customer service.
Okay, please wait while I connect you to customer service.
And then I had this on silent for presentation. Hello? So that's an example of where we were able to call in, ask an automated question, then ask for a live person to do follow-up on that intent. The screen pop did appear there. I do have it so it clears out after a certain period of time, but you're able to see the information pop up on the screen to the agent just before the call was initiated to the agent. So that solves another issue with the customer experience, where calls going into call centers, even today with all the technology, aren't always having the screen pops. So this is strictly cloud-based, over the top, into a web browser, connecting the active call from the CPaaS to information on the agent's screen. And the next step from here, of course, would be to put information about the call on this as well, besides just the call information. So I'll do the same thing again, but just in SMS, because again, I called in and asked for that. Now the text changed here versus what I heard on the audio. On the audio it said, please wait while we connect your call. Here it says, you'll be called momentarily, which it called me first. It did show on the agent's screen the information about the call that was coming. And now, once I answered, the agent's phone rang, and now we're connected as well. So we were able to do the exact same thing through SMS and voice, and in this case also add the screen pop back to the agent, which is two problems in one. So generally speaking, that's what we have in there. Of course, this can be expanded by adding more intents, feeding things off an API, which makes some of the knowledge base accessible there infinite, and again, adding more information to the screen pop, which is all just a matter of time from this point. That's basically it.